everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be dyeing my hair using a Schwarzkopf box dye. It's number 35, the shade is Real Red. It's one of the Live XXL dyes and I've used it loads before. I really like how it turns out in my hair. Right now I have about 1 centimetre regrowth of roots and the ends are really faded where I have bleach underneath, so it doesn't hold on to colour well. The last time I dyed my hair was just over a month ago, and so I'm really excited for this. It's Easter on Sunday, so I would like to get nice pictures with my husband and my son. So yeah, I'll just do a speed through of the video of the dyeing process and then I'll speak to you at the end. Okay, so in the box you obviously get your colour cream, your developer in the applicator bottle, and you get a wee conditioner and a wee pair of gloves. And this is the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the colorant into that developer. So you just give that a wee shake now. It's starting to change colour already. Be aware as well, everything kind of you touch in your bathroom will turn red, so I've kind of got used to not touching as much things, but obviously some things I sit in the sink will turn red. And obviously when you're washing out your hair as well, the water will be completely red. It will look a wee bit like a crime scene in your bathroom, so just be aware of that, but it washes right off with hot water again, or if you find wee bits are just stubborn, just use a wee bit of soap. So when you're finished putting the dye on, obviously you'll look like a complete babe. You'll be covered in bits of dye everywhere, so check out my back. So you want to get those washed off right away before they seriously just stick into your skin and leave you with a nightmare. So I'm going to wash those off now. And once you're done washing the dye from your face and your skin, just let the dye sit on your hair for your desired amount of time. I usually leave it on my hair for about half an hour. That's just what works for me. And yeah, I'm just realising too, these scratches look so much worse on camera than they are in real life. Last night Lucas got so excited that he squeezed my face like really hard. It was so sore I actually cried, but I was having a really emotional day too, missing my mum and dad and my brothers and sisters, so I think I used it as a wee bit of an excuse to cry. We're all allowed a wee excuse to cry. So yeah, I will see you in half an hour. Hi everyone, so I've just finished drying my hair and doing a wee bit of makeup. This is the end result. I love the colour, feels really healthy too and smells amazing. In comparison to the top of the box, the colour, I think it's pretty spot on. I'm really happy with it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see any more from me, then press the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments and give me a wee like as well. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye!